Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the 4-wheel drive box. So let us see the parts required. We need 1 medium plate, 2 small C-bar, 2 DC motor, 4 wheels, DPDT switch box and connecting cable. So let us see the assembly now. First of all, we will attach 2 small C-bars to the medium plate. So take a small C-bar and take the medium plate and attach this medium plate to the C-bar in this way, such that first 2 holes and the last 3 holes of the C-bar are left. And then fix this with the help of nut and bolt. Insert the bolt in this way and fix the bolt using nuts. Similarly, connect the other C-bar in the same way. Now we will attach motors to the small C-bars. Take a motor and attach it to the small C-bar in this way. Align the motor holes with the hole of the C-bar properly and fix them using screws. Similarly, attach the other motor to the other C-bar. Now we will attach wheels on both the motors. So take the wheel and insert it through the shaft of the motor and then fix the wheel with the help of an axle lock. Similarly, connect the other wheel. Now we will attach 2 more wheels to the small C-bar, and for that we will use this metal shaft. Insert the metal shaft through the holes of the small C-bar and then insert the wheel and fix the wheel using an axle lock. Take one more axle lock and fix the metal shaft from the other side. Similarly, attach the other wheel. So we have attached the wheels, and with that the assembly of the 4-wheel drive is completed. Now we will connect the motors to the DPDT switch. So this is the DPDT switch and we will connect the motors. This is done. Now we will check the output. The bot is moving forward. When we press it is moving backward. Thank you.